Disclosure is often mentioned as one of the biggest pain points for family law practitioners. Family property eases the pain of disclosure and can save you valuable time by empowering your client to upload their files through a secure client portal and guiding them through a list of recommended tasks. We're looking at the client portal now. You can give your client access to their portal by ensuring the option is ticked when inviting the client to use the questionnaire. When a client is in their portal, balance sheet items are listed first, showing assets, liabilities, super, followed by items such as contributions, parenting, and income, according to information that's been entered into the questionnaire or directly to the dashboard. The client can review the recommended tasks and tick them off like a to-do list. They click attachments under each item to select and upload relevant documents. Once attached, it can't be deleted. The document will also be available almost immediately in your dashboard. I'm going to my balance sheets now, and it's shown here by this icon. Click on it to download or to edit the properties of that document. You can also upload documents directly yourself here. Did you also know that you can request your own specific documents? These numbers here represent tasks in the client's portal for that item. Click on the number to view the tasks and then add to describe a document that you need. Once saved, the client will see this item, see this task in their portal. Some practitioners may choose not to gather disclosure documents at the time of sending the questionnaire. So did you know that you can invite your client at a later time when the need for disclosure arises? To do this, simply click on Invite Your Client within the disclosure section of the dashboard. Fill out the details and click Invite, and this will generate an email to the client. You can also manage all of your files via the attachment browser. Keep them organized in categories, which you can update if the client uploads a file against the wrong item. To do this, simply click on the three dots and then edit. You can also delete files here too. And move that document to the appropriate item. You can also use the short summary name to give the document a more meaningful title. This title is now used as the main file name. Generate a handy attachment index under Documents and Forms. This attachment index lists all the client's files by item name and hyperlinks back to family property for easy review. Click Enable Editing to finish populating the document. You can see the hyperlinks shown here. I hope these tips showcase how family property helps you manage disclosure with your client. Thank you.